here are our ingredients for our brunch. All right, so I'm cooking my chorizo over here while I'm also waiting for and it's getting ready to actually boil my broth to make my polenta. So this is beef chorizo. There's all kinds of chorizo. There's pork chorizo. There's beef, and this is beef because some of the people that I'm kind of hosting today for our get-together brunch don't eat pork. Some do. So I am just cooking up our chorizo right here. So our broth is boiled, and so I'm now going to put my polenta in here. Now, polenta seems to have the same bad habit as grits. It likes to pop on you. So be very careful when you cook polenta. For me, I see it as a form of grits, to be honest with you. It's harder though, it's more coarser, but I do see it as a form of grits because it's from the corn family, but it really isn't, but it's from the same family. And I like to add my cream. Okay. Got to get every nook and cranny out of here. This stuff's expensive. Okay, and I'm gonna add my pepper jack cheese as well in it. See, it's starting to bubble. It's starting to pop. So I'm gonna lower my heat. Then I'm gonna cover it up. Put my cheese in here. Now I grated the pepper jack off the block, but it kind of clumped together. So a way to do that to prevent it from clumping, because you don't want to put nasty, film that you have from the pre-package, is to actually put a little cornstarch, and I forgot to do that. Put a little cornstarch on it, and that will help you. That will help your cheese from clumping. So there's a little nugget for you. Okay. And this helps the polenta to be creamy with the cheese in it. And that's it. That's all I have. So I'm just going to continue to stir this. Stir it. And prior to that, I had just had some butter and some black pepper and some Himalayan salt. That's all I had, the polenta. Is that it tends to be really oily, as you can see. So I'm going to try to make sure I definitely can eliminate that, But my chorizo is done, and I'm just kind of waiting on my polenta. So I'm still stirring them. All right, so our polenta is done. See? Polenta is all cooked up. There we go. So Ian's putting the sweet potato fries inside.
Frying them at 400 degrees in vegetable oil, not olive oil, vegetable.
And why are you not using olive oil, E?
Because olive oil doesn't hold the 5% that you are, is that it?
It doesn't have a high smoke point.
High smoke point. So that's why we're using vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, whatever you feel. As
peanut oil.
Yeah, peanut oil.
Something that has a high smoke point. Yeah, whatever you have at home. So I'm cooking some sunny side eggs. As you see, that's gonna go with part of our savory parfait. And I want to give a shout out regarding the parfait to Chef Aaron McCargo. He's the one that kind of gave me the idea, so I want to give a shout out to him. So I'm just taking it further than what he had mentioned from Grillin' TV. Ian's making our puff pastry cinnamon rolls. Yeah, you heard me. Cinnamon rolls don't always have to be made with a regular dough, but you know, up here in my chef, we love to do things differently. And so we're doing it now. And so Ian has some brown sugar and some cinnamon and some melted butter. And he is brushing the puff pastry with it. And then after that, you're gonna see. He's gonna add some goodness once he gets all of that mixed in. You wait and see how Ian is gonna give us something really special. Okay, so Ian is actually sprinkling the goodies that we have. We have Cinnamon Toast Crunch, cinnamon sugar. And I know a lot of people love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So look at that. That's good, Ian.
Thank you. Now we're gonna roll.
So you're rolling just like you would do a Cinnabon.
Yep. Nice.
Look at you, Ian, becoming a good roller.
Go, Mom. I'll let you. Oh, all right.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can switch. I'll cut.
Yes, you
will.
will.
You're gonna get some melted butter and do that.
Yeah.
And you're gonna add some more cinnamon,
and
butter,
okay,
and sugar, and then you're gonna add some strawberry preserves on top of it.
More jelly. More jelly, right?
Okay. So Ian is doing cinnamon, a Cinnabon puff pastry with strawberry preserve. He did one with cinnamon already, which is on the tray in front of us. So he's ready to put down the cinnamon with the brown sugar and butter. And now he's putting down the strawberry preserve. And then he's gonna roll that up. Now Ian is rolling his puff pastry. You're doing such a great job, Ian.
Go.
Voila! I am brushing cinnamon, butter, and sugar for our puff pastry cinnamon roll. But mine is going to have a touch of apricot in it. Ian just did one that had a touch of strawberry preserve. Mine is going to have apricot preserve. So I'm putting my apricot preserve here. Okay, probably just kind of spread that out. Spread the love of this. Our vitamin content is eggs, vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Polenta, A, B, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Bacon, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium, and zinc. Lox, vitamins B, D, and selenium. Cinnamon, vitamins A and iron. Blueberries, A, C, K, fiber, manganese, and potassium. Raspberries, A, B6, calcium, potassium, riboflavin, thiamine, and zinc. And watermelon, vitamins A, B5, C, and potassium. Real facts. Did you know that food insecurity for Black seniors have increased? It went from 15.5% to 19.6%. That's over 4% increase. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Well, voila!
What a presentation. That is beautiful.
So we have in our huge margarita glass our polenta with sunny side eggs and bacon and avocado and some chorizo. Well, no chorizo for you though.
Not for me.
Right, because it's a little too spicy, he said, for you.
I don't like the zest.
Because you're not in the mood to go salsa dancing tonight.
No salsa dancing for this old man.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Put a little spice in your life, E.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, come on, E.
Okay.
Give a little dose. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right, back
So, and then we have, you did a great job frying the sweet potatoes.
Thank you.
And what did you kind of coat it with? Some Himalayan salt and
some Himalayan salt. We used some herbivans.
No, we didn't on that one.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, you did.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah, we threw a little bit in there.
Okay.
Some salt, Himalayan salt, that, a little bit of
smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika. That's one.
And we did put a little chipotle.
Yeah, a little chipotle.
Yeah, chili.
Just
a just a zing, zing, zing.
Yeah, I can't deal with that.
But I am impressed with the baking you did with the puff pasty cinnamon rolls, because the truth is I did not think you'd be able to pull it off. I was like, oh, he's gonna mess it up, as he tends to do, and we're just gonna deal with it.
Yeah, but
and you impressed me.
Thank you.
You filled it nicely.
With a little tap on it.
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
You filled it nicely. You rolled it even nicer.
Uh-huh.
You know, you maybe cut it for you, but that's okay. I mean, hey, you did. So what pleasure do I have of these? Is it just cinnamon rolls we have here, or what else do we have?
We got cinnamon rolls, and we got some preserves and some of them too, with some of the powder from the cereal box stuff. What is that?
Oh my God, Ian.
Yeah, go ahead.
I can't take him anywhere, guys. Okay. So what Ian did actually is that he did a cinnamon roll, which had the cinnamon, the toasted cinnamon cereal. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Right? The cinnamon toast crunch. That's what it's called.
Cinnamon toast crunch. We had some brown sugar.
With some brown sugar, melted butter, and cinnamon.
Yeah.
So that's how he got his cinnamon rolls. And then when he did the strawberry preserve and the apricot preserve, he also did some butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar.
Plus, and we put some glaze on top, of course.
Right, and the glaze had a little special touch on it.
Of course, Mom threw it in there with a little zest.
Yes, exactly, with a little zest.
We'll leave it at that.
And so, if you guys have never seen before yellow watermelon, voila.
There it is.
Here it is. You get to see yellow watermelon as well as red watermelon.
On Ma Chef, and you get to see it.
You get to see it.
Yes, you do.
And of course, we have our fruits, our blueberry, raspberry, and some nuts, some cashews, and some walnuts. And we have some wings.
Of course.
We have some, what kind of wings? We have some sweet Thai chili wings.
Sweet Thai chili wings.
And some spa water.
Of course.
Which is our orange slices with our cinnamon stick. Now, cinnamon stick, I have to be honest with you guys, I drink cinnamon water and every day, as well as some cucumber lemon water every day. Because cucumber is a natural diuretic, so that's why I drink it, to help with water retention. And cinnamon, because it really helps with your blood sugar levels, and it also helps keep you full a little bit longer. So I tend to drink cinnamon water every day. Love it, tastes great. And so what are we gonna do here, baby?
Bon appetit, dude. That's what we're
Bon
gonna
appetit.
do. Yeah.
Make sure you grab some polenta with it.
I got the polenta, I got
and some avocado.
I'm getting old.
And I'm gonna have the one with the real bacon, honey, people, because you know there's nothing like real bacon.
Mom loves her swine.
That's right, I sure do. Sure do.
Wow.
Now,
what a taste.
The chorizo here, let me taste it with the polenta. You know, I don't eat chorizo often. But I do like the little, I like that little running on the egg. I do like that little smoky paprika taste.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. A little kick to it. And not something I would eat all the time. I think that has like a lot of oil in it.
Yeah.
That I rendered a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But it's nice.
Gives you flavor, huh?
I didn't give you any.
No, I know.
Because you didn't want any.
No, thank you.
A little avocado. Okay.
Very well done.
Let me try.
Go ahead. When I was making them, I'll tell everybody anyway. I put a little bit to the side so I can
Just try
enjoy.
one.
Yeah, I put a little bit to the side so I can.
Basically, he was sneak eating it, as most people do. Nice flavors, E.
Thank you. They really are, and they're very, very nice. Tasty. Tender.
The sweet potatoes, when you first get it, it's so hard.
Yeah.
But once you boil it or you fry it, it's like
Soft
putty,
in the
so
middle,
soft.
It melts in my mouth.
Like it.
Yeah, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Did another good job today. I'm proud
Yeah, great
of
job.
myself. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, yeah, you're down to these cinnamon rolls, honey.
Now you're talking, right?
Yeah.
I hate to say it when they came out. When I was baking and they came out, I know a couple. I had to. They were delicious. I'll go for another one though.
Here you go.
Thank you.
One for you. That flakiness. Ooh.
Oh my god.
That was so good.
Oh. Oh my god. That's how good. Delicious. Delicious.
I think I have the strawberry one. Cinnamon strawberry.
Yeah, but I have the regular.
Really?
Yeah, with the cinnamon. It's delicious. I can go through. Oh god, this would get me real going.
Oh my gosh. This is divine.
Yeah, came out really good.
That flaky puff pastry with the cinnamon and the strawberry together, and the glaze, the special glaze I did.
That glaze with the twist. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Gives that little flavor.
This is a game changer.
Big time game changer. Big time.
I don't know if we should have told them. Okay. Here's our call to action.
Yes.
What does it mean?
Hit the like button to me. That's right off the bat.
Don't forget to give us a virtual hug.
Oh, definitely a virtual hug.
By hitting the like button.
By hitting the like button. Now, if you're new to our channel, we open up with open arms.
And great big hugs.
And great big hugs.
Welcome in.
We welcome you in.
And
don't forget to share.
Share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
There you go.
And hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video.
Yes.
And thank you for hanging out with us today. We really do appreciate it. You got to eat with us virtually.
Yes,
but next time you can eat this physically like we did, if you do it. And let us know how it worked out for you below, because we do answer our comments.
Yes, we do. And we'll see you on our next video.
next video.